This is baking club in the new foods room and in the old foods room.
Last year we started baking club. I had a student came up to me and wanted to start baking club because they just wanted to cook for fun. So this is our February baking club.
So we meet every month, the first Tuesday of the month.
We usually just bake a new thing every single week, and we try not to repeat anything, so it's always a surprise on what we're going to do next.
All of us as an exec board kind of come together and like bounce ideas off each other. So it varies from month to month, like whose idea it was. We also accept ideas from members of the club. If they have like anything they want to bake, we'll take it into consideration.
For baking club for Valentine's Day, we decided to kind of go on theme, you know, with the red and the pink for like the colors.
This is our February baking club. They are making red velvet brownies for Valentine's Day. So they're able to take them home to their family or friends once they're done, but it's just a fun place in which they can learn how to bake and also meet new friends or just hang out with the friends that they have.
My favorite thing about the club is how many friends I've met here, and also just like I get to share my passion for baking because I don't really have time to do it after school.
I enjoy that I'm with my friends, there's some camaraderie. I obviously like to bake in my spare time, so it just kind of combines like my passions in school and outside of school.
I think it's really fun just to like bond with the other people in the club. I personally have a lot of fun baking the food because I don't really get much of a chance to bake all the time, and this is a good opportunity to, you know, make something that tastes good and spend time with friends.
I'm looking forward to next month and see what we make.
Long term, we could do some baking fundraisers or work with other clubs and learn a little bit more about like different cultures and what they bake as well. I want our students to be very well-rounded and learn some new techniques from all around the world.
This is a really great opportunity for me to, you know, like do my hobby and also hang out with my friends. So I really like it.